Today we're gonna make these baked pears that are perfect for a kidney-friendly diet. They got a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of walnut, and a little bit of maple syrup. Deliciously baked, and they're a perfect dessert for a kidney-friendly diet. You're gonna love them. Hi, I'm Mathea Ford with Renal Diet HQ. Do you know why pears love cinnamon? Because it brings out the best in them. Today we're gonna make cinnamon baked pears. We have a couple pears. We have vanilla extract, lemon juice, maple syrup, cinnamon, and walnuts to put on these pears. So we're going to get started. I've already washed the pears, and we're going to line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Okay, we're gonna start by lining a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Doesn't have to be pretty, doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, we're gonna start by cutting these pears in half. Now for the easy part, we're going to scoop out the seeds using like a melon baller. You can use a knife. And then also you're gonna get rid of your stem. Make sure you get all the hardness of the core out. And there's our pears. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna sprinkle our pears with a little bit of cinnamon, just everywhere. Try to evenly do it. It's very, very good. Okay, I'm gonna mix my vanilla with my maple syrup and my lemon juice all together. Just try to get it mixed well. And then we're just gonna drizzle this over the pears and kind of brush it a little bit. And then we flip these over. Then I'm gonna use a little bit of aluminum foil, and I'm gonna make what's called like a tent, just to kind of keep the heat in and cook the pears. So we're just gonna put it over like that so that it'll kind of steam them a little bit, and then we're going to put them in the oven. They cook in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. All right, let's grab the pears out of the oven, put some walnuts on them, and stick them back in for a few minutes. All right, I'm gonna flip these pears over. I'm checking that they're soft. They are soft, so this next couple minutes will be just a little bit with the walnuts, and they'll be all done and ready to try. You're gonna love them. We're going back in the oven for 5 minutes. All right, let's grab those pears out. I know you can't smell it, but these smell delicious. They look good, they smell so good. And I'm gonna let them sit there for a minute and kind of cool to rest, and then we're gonna have a bite. All right, let's give this baked pear with cinnamon a try. You get a whole pear, that's the serving. If your pears aren't quite ripe, you're gonna have to cook them a little longer to get them soft. But there's just a little touch of that syrupy sweetness. I taste the cinnamon for sure, it's delicious. I love these are perfect dessert. Light, not too heavy, not too overwhelming, and perfect for a kidney-friendly diet.